Po. Okay, few reminders before we start. Sa mga may dalang cellphone, kindly turn off yung flash niyo kapag magpipicture, and also lower the brightness of your cellphone screens. Again, no flash and lower the brightness of your cellphone screens. Okay na ba? Okay, so for our session this morning, we're going to check first some videos, and then we will proceed for a short lecture about the objects that can be found in our sky, and we'll end the session with one final video. Okay ba yun?
Opo.
Anong year level ninyo?
7!
So, for sure masasagutan niyo yung mga tanong later. Okay? So, ready na ba kayo?
Holy shit. Oh my God!
Chill lang kayo later. And heads up na lang din, huwag kayo masyadong tumili kasi ang makakarinig niyan is yung nasa opposite side ninyo, so kayo-kayo lang din yung magkakabingihan. Okay? So chill lang kayo later. Okay? Let's start?
Made entirely of atoms and molecules. Only some will ride the molecularium.
What the fuck?
For your first flying lesson, you're gonna ride a snowflake.
Fly through the atomic structure of a snowflake. The molecularium, the most fantastic ship in the universe.
They're really moving. We must be in a raindrop. Hygo, zoom us out. You got it, Oxy.
Experience the transformation of matter. In Molecularium, a magical musical adventure in a world of atoms and molecules.
I'm so small. I'm so small.
Molecularium, riding snowflakes. Coming to a digital dome theater near you. Featuring the hit songs, Atoms Are Amazing, 3 States of Matter, Carbon is Incredible, and popular favorite, Aliens and Trillions. Molecularium, the way out, way in, out there, in their digital dome experience.
Hold on to your electrons! Is everyone okay? Okay pa ba lahat?
Stop spitting at me! Hey! Stop spitting at me!
would like to remind everyone again na wala pong tatayo and don't block the light coming from the projector. Okay? Okay, let's start. So this morning we're going to check on some of the objects that we can spot in our night sky. By the way, nakapag-planetarium na ba kayo before? Okay, good. And nakapag-try na ba kayo mag-telescope viewing? Nakatry na rin. Okay, good. So, for sure, mas familiar na sa inyo yung mga objects na titignan natin right now. So, let's start from the easiest. What's the brightest object in our sky?
The sun.
The sun. Tama. So, yung ilaw mula sa araw natin, nag-i-scatter yan sa atmosphere natin. Kaya, nakikita natin na as blue yung kalangitan natin. Without our atmosphere, it would look like this. Okay? Now, let's zoom in. So, kung nakapagtayo na kayo ng telescope,
Stop
maybe
spitting on me!
you have tried using, kung meron kayong telescope, you can try using or putting a solar filter para mas makita nyo yung araw natin. And our sun would look like this. Now, familiar ba kayo kung anong tawag natin doon? Okay. So, hindi pa. So, those are called sunspots. Okay, again, yung mga dark areas na yan, those are called sunspots. Ito yung mga aktibong bahagi sa surface ng araw natin. Dito madalas nangyayari yung mga pagsabog like yung solar flares or yung mga tinatawag na coronal mass ejection na nagiging cause naman ng aurora at geomagnetic storm dito sa Earth. Nabalitaan niyo na ba yung tungkol sa mga aurora and geomagnetic storm last year? Okay, good. So, dahil po yun sa maraming sunspot or active region sa araw natin last year. Okay, so meron niyang 11-year cycle. So, every 11 years, nagiging active and then inactive yung araw natin. Okay? Short review lang. Before we continue, anong tawag natin sa phenomenon kapag dumadaan yung buwan sa araw na sa harap ng araw natin?
Eclipse!
Anong eclipse yun? Solar eclipse. Okay, good. Again, reminding everyone na walang tatayo